Hello and welcome to FixAnyPhoto Cloud. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to upload files and download completed projects. Open your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the address bar, type cloud.fixanyphoto.com and hit enter. This will take you to our secure login page. Enter your username and password, then click Login. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option for assistance. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your folders. Here, you can see all your projects neatly organized by years and months. Here, you'll find your photos organized into batches. When you open a batch, you'll see two folders, one named Raw Images and another named Retouch Done. Please upload your raw photos to the Raw Images folder. Once the upload is complete, we will let you know when your editing is finished. You can then find the retouched photos in the Retouch Done folder. To download the retouched photos, open the Retouch Done folder and then download all the photos. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.